Introduction: React Table is a lightweight, fast, and flexible plugin used for building complex and interactive tables in React applications. It doesn't directly render or supply table data, but offers hooks for flexible features and functionalities. Installation: Run npm install React Table command in your terminal to install React Table in your project. Basic usage of React Table: Import the useTable hook from the React Table package. Define your data and columns. Use getTableProps and getTableBodyProps functions to bind necessary properties and events to the table element. Features of React Table: It's lightweight and does not have any dependencies. It's highly customizable and flexible, provides a variety of hooks for different functionalities, supports sorting, filtering, pagination, and many more features. Tips and tricks: Use react.useMemo for your data and columns to prevent React Table from recreating your data on every render. Call the prepare row function before every row render. It's necessary for React Table to hook into each row and bind necessary properties and events. Common error-prone cases: forgetting to spread out the props, returned by getTableProps and getTableBodyProps, prevents the table from functioning as expected. For example, table getTableProps is incorrect. Use table getTableProps instead. Conclusion: React Table is a powerful tool for building complex and interactive tables in React. Provides various hooks and features that make it easier to work with tables. Requires careful handling, like using react.useMemo for your data and columns, calling the prepare row function before each row render, and spreading out the props returned by getTableProps and getTableBodyProps.